With that, I'd like to welcome our next speaker, Christian, also from the customer success team. Christian is going to walk us through how to influence your stakeholders and increase performance with the new analytic features we launched this year.
Thanks, Beth. Okay, I'm here to talk about all the ways we've made it easier to engage and influence your stakeholders through your data in Ashby. Whether it's partnering with hiring managers, advising executive leadership, or guiding members of your direct team, analytics in Ashby are a cornerstone for strategic partnerships throughout your business. To start, let's take a look at a subtle but important change that allows you to present your data in a consistent and visually appealing way. One thing we notice is our customers love making dashboards and they love including a lot of custom reports. This year, we launched the ability to customize the default color palette for your reports and dashboards. You can set up to 32 colors for your default palette and separately set distinct colors for demographic categories. This enables you to use your company's brand colors and lends instant credibility when presenting and telling stories through your data. We loved seeing some of the early reactions for this release, like this one from Peter. I know it's not often that you see an analytics product that lets you customize colors, but we didn't stop there. We know that data comprehension can be challenging when viewing many reports across one large dashboard. Sometimes the colors in one chart may not line up with another for a number of reasons, and this can cause confusion. It can also potentially lead to misunderstanding some of your team's most important metrics. To solve this, we developed what we call stable dashboard colors. Ashby will automatically parse your dashboard reports and content to ensure that all colors used for various results are consistent across all your reports. For example, if your inbound source shows up as green in one report, it will also be displayed as green in all of the other reports elsewhere throughout the dashboard. We now have a color palette that matches our brand and is visually consistent. All right, let's move on and focus on our next goal, enabling precise data delivery to each of our stakeholders. In July, we made it even easier to get your data into the hands of stakeholders through our scheduled dashboard delivery feature. This helps ensure you and your team can build a repeatable habit of surfacing your metrics where people prefer to consume them. You can automatically deliver your dashboard on a set schedule, send via email or Slack, pick your recipients, apply any dashboard filters, choose the data format as a PDF or CSV, and include a brief message. You have the option to configure and activate as many scheduled deliveries as needed for one or multiple dashboards. For example, you may want your recruiters to review their own personalized dashboard every Monday morning, or you may want to deliver quarterly hiring progress updates to leadership in an executive-level dashboard. Scheduled dashboard deliveries give you a low-effort way to ensure visibility into all of your data. Now, we've been working very closely with data-driven teams for years, and perhaps the biggest challenge in analytics is delivering clear, concise metrics without overwhelming your team. Custom reporting is often the answer, but how can we create a standard and approachable process for your metrics? Since you're likely to be working with the hiring team to review the pipeline, look at active candidates, review feedback submission stats, and overall interview load, you'll need an easy and approachable way to review and collaborate together. To achieve that, we have introduced the default jobs dashboard. These dashboards and reports are generated automatically for you on any job created in Ashby. With zero setup required, you can view 3 pre-built tabs across any job: summary, interviews and feedback, and source details. Each of these dashboards come with out-of-the-box reports that explain the data and how it should be interpreted. You can click on any of these reports to see specific data points, and they can also be used as a foundation for creating new custom reports. When we released these job dashboards, we heard from folks like Dan really highlighting how your data can help create fans across your stakeholders. All right, let's change gears a bit and we'll talk about alerts. Alerts may be our customers' favorite analytics feature to date. We are constantly surprised by how innovative our customers can be with creating and applying alerts to different use cases. We wanted to share our partners' most powerful solutions with everyone, and so we've released the Alerts Library, a full suite of alert template reports for a variety of use cases. The Alerts Library also comes with a new Alerts Wizard that helps you configure new and custom alerts for your own use cases. But our main goal is to bring a core set of different high-value applications of alerts readily to your Ashby experience. We have so much fun creating powerful solutions through alerts, and we've seen a lot of joy in the success that they can bring. We're incredibly excited to have you explore this part of Ashby. And lastly, let's close this segment with some comments about the future. You're going to be entering the new year soon with a whole new set of business goals and hiring targets. So we want to empower you through this planning cycle with confidence and data, and especially give you the ability to establish and track your plans effectively. To this end, we've taken great strides in improving our recruiting planner tool to do just that. We've introduced a set of new visualizations to track your plan progress, added conditional formatting to color code plan progress based off of pace, and we've added explicit end-of-plan estimates. My personal favorite is the pace to goal chart. This new view helps you align with your audience and creates a collaboration point to reach your recruiting goals. With the recruiting planner in hand, we can advise on strategic initiatives backed by compelling data in a profoundly simple way. So we've explored how branding your recruiting data with company colors can convey sophistication to your audience by setting a default color palette. We've also saw how to make your data more approachable through out-of-the-box job dashboards and more accessible by setting up schedules to automatically deliver the dashboards over Slack and email. To round things out, we looked at the new Alerts template library and improvements to the recruiting planner tool that help inspire strategic conversations in your recruiting and business objectives. These latest analytics features help you engage and influence stakeholders while building a culture of continuous improvement.